Oh, hi again. Welcome to ICF1. For today's lesson, we will discuss the LO 1.3 with the title Classification of Computers. Class. Computer system can be classified or typed or categorized in many ways. Some common classification of computers are given below. The first one is according to purpose or on its application. B, according on operating principles or on its functionality. And then C, according to capacity regarding with speed, size, and memory. When we are talking about according to purpose or application, it categorized in two. First one, the general purpose computers and the special purpose computer. Based on operating principles, it can be analog, digital, and hybrid. And then according to capacity, speed, size, and memory, it can be supercomputers, mainframes, microcomputers, and mini computers. So to continue, let's watch this video first.
Kliko, our teacher said that there are different types of computers. Some are very big and some are small. Is it true?
Yes, Rennie. There are different types of computers classified on the basis of their functions and operational principles. They can be digital, analog, or both.
Tell me more about these computers.
Okay, let us first discuss about digital computers. Digital computers use binary number system 0 and 1 to carry out arithmetic and logical operations. These computers are mostly used in offices and science laboratories. Let us now learn what an analog computer is. Computers which solve problems by translating physical quantities into mechanical or electrical related circuits are called analog computers. Analog computers are used to process continuous data. Analog computers are used in the field of engineering and medical science as they are speedy and produce fast results.
Hybrid computers.
Computers which have the features of both digital as well as analog computers are called hybrid computers. These computers are mainly used in hospitals.
For what purpose are they used in hospitals?
With the help of the analog features in the computer, the patient's heartbeat and blood pressure is checked. Its digital features are used to observe the vital signs. Hybrid computers are also used in weather departments to forecast weather.
What type of computer is my desktop computer?
It is a microcomputer and so is a digital computer. Now, on the basis of speed, size, and memory, computers are divided into 4 types. They are microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Let us now learn about each of them. Microcomputers are the smallest digital computers. They are also known as personal computers. Microcomputers have chips inside them called microprocessors. These computers are widely used in schools, home, offices, shops, and hotels. Apple Mac, IBM PC are some of the microcomputers. Mini computers are bigger in size than microcomputers. These computers have now almost gone out of use. The mini computer of the world was PDP-8. The most successful mini computer was DEC PDP-11. Mainframe computers are big computers with large memory and high speed. They can be used by several hundred users at the same time. Mainframe computers are mostly used by big organizations like airline booking system, advertising, centralized payroll system, and banks. IBM 390 and PDP-10 are examples of mainframe computers. Supercomputers are the largest, fastest, and the most powerful computers. Supercomputers are also the latest of all computers. Supercomputers are used mainly for defense, space research, fluid dynamics, or in nuclear energy research. Some examples of supercomputers are Param, Anurag, and Cray. IBM's latest supercomputer is Blue Gene Q or Mira. So now, I hope you know about the different types of computers.
So, to continue, let's discuss the according to purpose. So, based on its application, different computers are designed for a different purpose so that they can perform their tasks according to their capabilities. The first one is general purpose computers. So what is general purpose computers? So these are the computers have capability to do a variety of tasks depending on the type of programs or software that are provided. These computers are designed in such a manner that they can work in all environments. They are versatile and can store a number of programs meant for performing distinct tasks. So these are the examples of the general purpose computer. So we have the personal computer, we have the laptop, and then we have the tablet. Then the next is the special purpose computers. Special purpose computers designed in such a manner that they can perform only a specific task. So, some examples of these computers can be found in different hospitals. So, like these machines. Then we have letter B, according to functionality or based on operating principles, on the basis of the operation performed and methods used to store and process the data information. It can be, first one, the analog computers. It is used for scientific, engineering, and process control purposes. It represents data in the form of continuous electrical signals having a specific magnitude. These computers are very fast in their operation to be carried out at the same time. They are a powerful tool to solve differential equation. It is used to process continuous data, physical qualities or quantities such as flow, temperature, currency, pressure, and voltage. So these are the examples of analog computers. The next one is the digital computers. These computers can be used in different applications. It is known as the Digital Information Processing System, a type of computers that can store and process data in digital form. So, these are specialized in counting. So, these are the examples of digital computers. Then, the third one is the hybrid computers. So these are the combination of analog and digital because it encompasses the basic features of both digital and analog computers. It incorporates the measuring capabilities of the analog and the counting ability of digital computers. Hybrid can have both features of digital and analog. It is used widely in hospitals with the help of the analog features. Example, the patient heartbeat and blood pressure is checked, and their digital features are used to observe the vital signs. These are also used in forecasting weathers. So these are the examples of the hybrid computers. So based or according to its capacity, regarding with their speed, size, and memory, computers differ from each other in terms of their size, shapes, and weight. Each type of computers performs some unique functions and can be employed in fields suited on them. So the first one is we have the supercomputers. Supercomputers are the fastest computers in the world. They can process billions of instructions per second. The most powerful computers in terms of performance and data processing. These are specialized and task-specific computers used by large organizations. Some examples of these are the IBM 730, the Seymour Cray, the CDC 6600. It can be used in space exploration, earthquake studies, weather forecasting, and nuclear weapon testing. The next one is the mainframe or large-scale computers. It's less powerful than supercomputers, but still capable of great processing speed, multitasking capability, and high data storage. It is also used to process and store large amounts of data. So these are the examples of mainframe computers. The next one is the microcomputers. It have digital computer system that makes use of a microprocessor. These are widely used and the fastest growing computers. These computers are the cheapest among the other three types. So these are the examples of microcomputers. We have the personal computer or the desktop, and then we have the laptop. And then the last one is the mini computers. Mini computers are generally slower and have less storage capacity than mainframes, and they are less costly. Mini computers can be used by small businesses and firms. So these are an example of mini computers. And then they are now gone in use nowadays. So to summarize the classification of computers, so it can be classified according to its purpose, according to type of processing, and then according to capacity. According to purpose, so we have the general purpose computers and special purpose computers. We have, according to type of processing, we have analog, digital, and hybrid. Then according to capacity, we have supercomputers, mainframes, microcomputers, and mini computers. Remember, a computer is one of the most brilliant inventions of mankind. Thanks to the computer technology, we were able to achieve an efficient storage and processing of data. We could rest our brains by employing computer memory capacities for storage of the information. Owing to computers, we have been able to speed up daily work, carry out critical transactions, and achieve accuracy and precision in work output. There are different types of computers available these days. The function of each type of computer is to process the data and provide some outputs to the user. So class, do you have any questions? Do you understand our lesson? So that's all for today. Goodbye class. See you again on our next lesson. Goodbye.